Biggest shock in PVL, Cherry Tigo disbanded na, end of an era, free agents na ang buong Cherry Tigo roster. Sa isang anunsyong yumanig sa volleyball community, tuluyan ng kinumpirma ng Cherry Tigo Crossovers ang kanilang pag-exit sa Premier Volleyball League matapos ang mahigit isang dekadang pag-iral bilang isa sa pinakamatatag na club teams sa bansa. From their beginnings as the Photon Tornadoes in 2014 to becoming the first ever professional champions of the 2021 PVL, nagsilbing tahanan ng crossovers para sa ilan sa pinakamagagaling na atleta ng henerasyon. But after a 10th place finish in the 2025 PVL Reinforced Conference 2-6 record and due to a change in marketing strategy according to sources, the team was compelled to shut down its program, a move that leaves one major question: where will their players go next? Sa kanilang opisyal na pahayag, sinabi ng Crossovers, "With heavy hearts, we announce the closing of the Cherry Tigo EV Crossovers chapter after 11 unforgettable years in professional volleyball. From our beginnings as the Photon Tornadoes to our journey as the Cherry Tigo EV Crossovers, we celebrate the milestones, the championships, the talent we develop, and representing the Philippines on the biggest stage. To our leagues, sponsors, staff, and most especially to our players, past and present, thank you for your dedication and heart. To our incredible fans, you have been the soul of this team. Your unwavering support made this journey extraordinary. The legacy of resilience, teamwork, and the spirit of the Cherry Tigo EV Crossovers will endure. We are profoundly grateful for every moment." What's next to Cherry? Kasalukuyang nasa leave of absence status ang franchise gaya ng F2 Logistics Santa Lucia, Bali Pure at Perlas noong mga nagdaang taon. Ayon kay PVL President Ricky Palou, wala pa silang natatanggap na formal communication mula sa Cherry Tigo management, ngunit bukas daw sila sa pag-uusap. Sa ngayon, tila malabo pang bumalik ang franchise at malinaw na ang priority ay ang redeployment ng kanilang players. Dahil dito, lahat ng players ng Cherry Tigo ay up for grabs at karamihan ay nakatatanggap na umano ng offers mula sa iba't ibang PVL teams. Ang mga players na may iwan ng Cherry ay sina Shaya Adorador, Alina Bicar, Joy Micagande, Za Karandang, Daps Dapol, Ara Galang, Pauline Gaston, Aimee Hernandez, Abby Maranyo, Jasmine Nabor, Jen Nerva, Mylene Paat, Renee Peñafiel, Ces Robles, Seth Rodriguez, Jane Soreño at Karen Verdeflor. Samantala, nagpasalamat ang team captain na si Abby Maranyo na nagpost ng emosyonal na mensahe sa social media. "I still can't find the right words for the pain sitting in my chest. For 2 years, I lived and breathed this team. I walked into the court every day surrounded not just by teammates but by a family I never knew I would find. It breaks my heart to know that our journey together has come to an end. To our team owner and management, thank you for believing in us, for giving us a home, for giving us a purpose. And to my teammates, my sisters, broskies, my bebe loves, my nakshis, my heart hurts the most when I think of you. Thank you for every bruise, sweat, laugh, and tear we shared. I don't know what the future holds, but I do know this. When the door closes, the veranda opens. Thank you for the love, the memories, and the family we created. I'll carry you with me always." Ang pag-exit ng Cherry Tigo ay hindi lamang pagtatapos ng isang team. Ito ay pagtatapos ng isang era. Ngunit habang nagsasara ang isang pinto, bukas ang buong liga para sa mga atleta nitong magsulat ng panibagong kabanata. At saan man mapunta sila Maranyo, Ara, Paat, Nierva, Nabor, Bicar, Adorador at ang iba pang crossovers, sigurado ang PVL na magiging mas kompetitibo, mas masigla at mas kapana-panabik.